94.7 Asempa FM Sony Ekosiisen dwumadi no asogu so awutie no ma yenamu nyina ase ne ensan so ema makwa babie na afei yemetoa yenkomo ne so na eni American kase e wosi yesua de kakra emra ho nsem kakra ehia papa say yebetumi edisa enkomo. Okay, I'm told says sia no internet challenges in ya no yetimi resolve it. And now the stream is back and better. In the anya ubenya breaks bia said ye start ye na munya no. And please more na stream ni nyenti man join and now you can join on Facebook and then on YouTube. Now if you who said the neoma AC echo here papa intimation so MIA in studio now lawyer Godfred Enim Nyako or Yao Berima and Co. Efisem Chambers wabe cancer ewa ha enti Laura, maybe you best start here before say Baba share the case tracking system, no? You share some of the other issues, justice delivery, some of the challenges. It is a police ni echemia. My rights as provided for in law.
Anna, me da say, Obi. Say police ni echiwa. The first thing I saw yes, or inform you of Nintia Wacho.
Okay.
So original police checkpoints. And I say or choose say Odi Bonibia. I saw inform you Nintia Wacho.
Okay.
That's the first thing I saw. The second thing is I also inform you of your right to have counsel.
Okay.
Of your choice.
Say right sells women your lawyer.
Say constitutional amount right to be. Say chill on an offense, say unya lawyer be jina mama. Even before you be tie one months. That's the most important part.
Okay.
Because send your own committee before even metro statements. So that right had to be read to you. They say police no actually say who right to answer na might take you statements. In the some local station, don't mind inform you of your right to have counsel. Now what your statement be now incriminating one. In law it's not admissible.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
In law, it's not admissible.
Okay.
There must be an independent witness. I will trust statements in case we incriminate him, and I will admit it to the offense.
Okay.
Then you must also be ready your rights. Say, oh lawyer, omijina wechi. Undi bin swa. Depending on the offense, say states no providing the lawyer. Yes.
Okay. And that's the right of an arrested person.
Yes.
Now, bail and kasano, are you free ana?
Oh, we are free.
Bail.
Bail you're free. But unfortunately, people have different experiences. Let's start because your bail mean your police inquiry bail and your court bail. So police need show now official on your investigation we in 20 found court within 48 hours. Also amount police inquiry bail. Now say or your investigation we no the court so and court is some court bail. Into police inquiry bail no any court bill needs a pepe.
Okay.
And it said depending on the panel, so you may be a politically influential person, and I a professional who is well known. It's a amount of self-recognizance bill. And no, they won't hear surety be the hearing say police better say and then say any brewery, Brabber reporting home station. So one reporting will pay, then they can revoke the bill.
Okay.
And therefore self-recognizance bill.
And also police for now they beat me the
police
amount.
for beating the amount.
Okay.
Depending on your position.
Okay.
Agent say someone more bail, they have to make sure say bail on the amount unjani. Every time you have to make yourself available. That's the main purpose of bail. It is that inquiry bill no say before I do court no, some police inquiry bill. So my self-recognizance bail, our man the bail surety, we police surety. Depending on number of sureties no, police never require based on offense no. Our they are charged any nipa kwan way.
Okay.
Normally, some can say for surety, bra. How do you also require? They say they want to go and see the official residence of surety. Say in case someone show no more who are.
And surety no, basically you be a obedi mu amount.
Obi obedi ejina mu amount say uni hwa.
Ono na ye mefa.
Ono na ye mefa na untua bail sum.
Okay.
It is someone my bill be almost the bail sum depending on offense. On the bill sum should be 200,000, 300,000. The surety now will sign the bail form. No. Say when me am producing the pana, you do be court near retrieve bail sum.
And bail sum no police for not to be determined.
Police for not determined depending on offense they are charged on.
Okay.
Normally it depends a fraud issue. Share sikana involved no. And sometimes they multiply by 2.
Okay.
Normal bail sum no. So I say what surety now what sign bail form no. One producing the pana wait here says sanity.
And that is the you can bail conditions are the what boss any bail conditions.
Yes, and na match as any bail conditions.
Okay.
And they say obi a money bail be there are conditions attached. Normally say do call court na okoje court bail so conditions need different kakra. So I say mama surety or maybe of 1 or 2 sureties to be justified that it means something different. It means says a bail sum now they shared document ne so no. Nipa necessary or they landed documents ebe gina no. Say or was sasibi and I will fear be it makes the value of the bill sum.
Oh, okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Then yeah, justification. The amount of bill but justified. In the amount of bill bonds say maybe 200,000. Nipa na obe jinema amount no. Eso all landed property be. Or the big jina no say it's more than that 200,000 or equal to that 200,000.
Oh, okay.
Sanity.
Wow.
Sometimes some bill conditions say the person should be a public servant, earning no less than maybe 3,000 cedis net. Then you know a bill condition and court empty. Sometimes some live in a bear as the person should be just an ordinary citizen who is responsible. And one.
Oh, okay. And it's police ni echeme. Maybe I'm a arrested person. But so much I'm a fan who dear so. Me wo baby I met media call platform then met media call to seek redress no.
Okay, platforms there also be.
Okay.
First, police nankasa or internal procedure they can follow. People make pips and confession and Germany papa because police now investigate your But there are instances they have been up and doing. That's the first police internal procedure. Apart from police internal procedure, SHRAJ, Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice. That's also very effective.
Okay.
So police ATT so maybe or more arrest or normal found court within the 48 hours and or more abuse you whilst in their custody. What you call SHRAJ. Shall we invite them to hear their side of the story and then make orders? Answer now. Court answer so.
Which mess you police?
Oh,
no?
up to now cases be mess you Ghana police.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go to court. Until it happens. This situation, my clients were abused. Main show station was case not pending. For some time, your courts are seeking for damages for that abuse. Until first police internal procedure, SHRAJ and our courts nankasa procedure through civil action.
Through civil action.
Civil action.
And within the police structure, PIPS baby within the police structure itself.
PIPS is the well known.
Okay.
And people also petition the IGP directly. Who petition IGP now know how to set up committee depending on the situation to investigate it. And now ultimately they share the pending findings to do special investigation. But PIPS are well known. One person petition IGP. PIPS are well known. To be called PIPS, you just write a formal petition. Now do address Asha Onoma where they can contact you. No I drop. Your office they say mechi here.
Yeah, no. So and into PIPS no say wo throw petition na nipa wo complain afa ne ho no. E wo say wunya the full name ne sa na yoma ni nyina meboa.
Yes, ordinarily I only the full name.
Okay.
But here him say sometimes tax norm the bomb no it doesn't contain the full name. Until ultimate narrative incident no. That narrative station war. So any station or crime, maybe checkpoints or at that particular time, who provided that information now? Police now be investigation to invite you. Normally, yes, Anna, they will invite you for a meeting. We invite you. They want to seek more clarity into assembly based on whom nobody may identify. Sometimes come to me have identification parade.
Okay.
Or more.
Now,
what identify ni pana or your born, you know. Yes, that now they are working. Previously, now bet you letter 2 months now in your response. But now they are working.
You see the response never.
But as to investigation, no, na able to some improving. Because sometimes you pay quick feedback.
And they say, me imagine some person may file the official complaint with the police. Process no any letter.
Oh, just a simple letter petition.
In the apart from letter journal, mean nantin come office one ko narrate enchre omo.
Oh me no
Ebia minim atro.
Eno de ubetimi aye.
Okay.
O call office so omo reception ubetimi receive kama.
Yes.
Omo complaint form crowd on ma do on ma you can write the complaint there. So one petition now. Omo complaint form ma do on ma. With the help of receptions
Yes.
to write the complaint and until our call. That procedure too is there. That's that normally no a petition.
Yes.
Petition now out now to meet church and may see na a boamum as in complaint form.
Yes. Now what can earlier say any suspect be a police for be found or right to counsel.
Yes.
In fact, who needs cry depending on the offense no or minor to me lawyer.
Yes.
In the environment that me offense no murder. I was able to minor my lawyer. Now any of the misdemeanors and I say we na still I mean here lawyer near. Matisse legal aid ewo sanity. I hono my lawyers free.
Obi sanity. All my lawyers free. One say Imrano I enim say enyo bia na obetimi afford
Yes.
Lawyers services.
Yes.
Kofo ka say lawyers boarding but enye sanity. Enti omani so create legal aid board.
Okay.
Omo hwe omo aketua endu minimum wage. That's the first criteria.
Okay.
Into
To
first,
access legal aid, no. I was say waketria wage and do the minimum wage.
either it is at the minimum age or less than the minimum age.
Wage, no.
Yes.
Okay.
Because me no be procedure anymore. So just not to jump no. So who applier there's an application form our OPK or legal is regional and district offices.
Okay.
OPK application form now which show with details anyway the income that you earn. Any even properties. Into all the still income any on a monthly basis. It should be less or equal to the minimum
To
wage.
the minimum wage.
Yes.
No? Okay.
And also near blanket procedure and restriction. Say who any more than the minimum age, a minimum wage, you know. Now say per se still a legal aid for a take or case now. Obetimi apply formally to the board, no.
Okay.
What I say?
Yes.
And so there are two main criteria.
Okay.
You either earn the minimum wage or less, or you apply to the board. Who apply to the board now? We explain in special circumstance. The board can make exception for you.
Okay.
Normally, these cases happen in land-related matters.
Okay.
The land-related matters, no, who apply to the board. Now they're more transfer. At the end of the case, whatever you get from it, legal aid will take part of it to offset your legal expenses.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What
Okay.
And so although you don't come under the criteria, but if you want their services, you only on better share. Say you case now we need say you take a percentage of it.
And only for more above the minimum
Or
wage.
more we above the minimum.
It will be a minimum wage or less, no. Or not a completely free.
Yes, completely free.
Okay.
But no crown there are some restrictions. Almost handle mainly criminal and some aspect of civil cases.
Okay.
And yes, civil cases beyond legal aid for a handle, but criminal cases almost handling, you know.
Okay.
Normally, landlord tenancy issues almost handle. Insurance issues.
Okay.
Over inheritance. Obi a ne papa jana dia na mama jana dia na.
Manso
abaho na uni ska betwe manso. Almost handle. And maintenance and child custody issues. Obi a niku enhwe ne mma.
Yeah.
And also call legal aid. In fact, those are most of the issues they handle there. Any matrimonial issues. And parliament too with time no omutimi yen hwehwe no mo de bika ho. But these are the four main ones. Landlord tenancy, matrimonial, inheritance. And maintenance and child custody issues. Any four main ones.
It is a case ne fall under sa four we are.
Utimi
legal aid on behwe aboa. Into legal aid and kasa commission ne buy no. Se ba yen resolve cases ne ade a omaboa.
Omaboa bebre. Enyo mo case bia na edu court. So uko make uko secure mo services mean can say. The first thing they do ni say omo invited the other person to try mediation.
Okay.
That's the first thing they do.
Okay.
In enyo mo cases bia go for secure mo service na edu court mpo. Normally with matrimonial issues I don't handle bebre. Omo invite other side. What can I say to see whether they can resolve the issue at that stage. Someone resolve the issue at that stage. Almost draft 2 terms of settlement.
Okay.
Now we. But almost intimi resolve at that point na. And almost court coach them more. Inti send them a kind of there's a selection panel.
Yes.
So apply to legal aid. Then you'll be applying on NISA in your common services. The selection panel no how say almost sort it out. Cases, no case by case, depending on case, whether a case it falls within criteria now. Embrana she say or fall under if you get legal services from legal aid.
Into more and when I'll take you back to the bail issue. No more a friend I will be me police station you be find me way police for one say answer on my bail no yen say answer na yama in bail and they are the san you many nyina no also despite the fact say police for bit me a charge with the bail sum na e bi o maje yen fan say 2 sureties say sureties ne ba no mba be sign form I am one sign they don't have to pay anything immediately.
No, they are not supposed to pay anything. The police is not supposed to take money from them. No.
And once we just be a free.
And once we just but my main fa baby share answer. Ordinarily no as I say omo kokko share surety ni fee.
Okay.
Obe ko make so many cars. Until na say oh di omo to care. Eko share surety. Those the enene a car normally who accused person and surety no more. Apart from that today, and so some police need Obusa Uska cry, you can report him because it is wrong. What do you mean Musa Uska say or Cheska way to answer the amount bill no there be a yemra.
Okay. After yemra this case tracking system no dia and the crime and the first year juma.
Obi unim so wa unim how omoda fiase FM. Obu onoma that remand for 5-10 years.
Yes.
Just because ye hu ne foul. And the case no nim baby cry edu. Yen fa ne court in pobio. It is our case tracking system ye omo dey buy to prevent that issue. Into US aid any Ghana justice sector reform, any government of Ghana.
Okay.
And a come home created that software. And TCCA say the accused person court. There's a case tracking form.
Okay.
And we attach it to docket.
Docket. No.
The case tracking form, no, maybe a docket, no, it will be a nipa no receive docket, no, must write his name and sign. And write timer, ne saka docket. Anytime a movie docket, no call different section.
Okay.
Send ye or be docket no enra. Into a system no took put in place. And secondly, the case is so called a cost or quarter. At the stage, I friend of case management conference. The form a ba. A master or lawyer, only lawyer. Judge no a shemo. Say, Montreal time, any mra moving here, every case. In the first, I open, say, case by could be maybe 5-10 years criminal case or court. But with the judge, shemo put it, say, 30 minutes fire cross examination, 45 minutes. Send a case no bet me a in them. The any case tracking system now. We share US aid. Any government of Ghana their budgets to reduce problem I want justice delivery system.
Okay. In the idea be ya benefit the improved justice delivery.
Improved criminal justice delivery.
Okay. That's the time where obi e wo hwa yes you the docket ahira na nipa na so that remand.
Nansin
the docket near.
Nansin the thing of the past. Because
in fact, almost started implementing that.
Almost started implementing 7 out of 16 regions. Okay. Into Accra, they buy hatch.
Okay.
Into you see how we share dockets. Even with the click of a button, you can know where the dockets are.
Oh, that's nice.
Sanity. Into say me information on the criminal case and I can just do a research and find out there be a docket. No, any case there be a case ne do.
Into for me as a media practitioner, no, a crime man a be so a promote CTS way.
In fact, a buy a check Accra. Unfortunately, confusion that any a B promotion be na me with USA.
Yes.
I'm hoping say we call different stations so because I was say you who say Ghana ya catch by and catch is I you go so improving justice system.
Yes.
In fact, problem is a be room. We call remand or in some cities a baby a modok extra you
who be that.
But there are so many avenues like this procedure,
Yes.
boah kakra. It shows it's a media, different stations, and now with time, if you can promote it, boah. Because you're writer, that's when we can assess it.
That's true. That's true. Intima, yemfa we in Chemsey and the lawyer Godfred Enim Nyako, or no, if Yao Berima and Co. Efisem Chambers, and Abekanya who studio, how we US Aid, Justice Sector Support Activity, the Bremo Legal Resources Center with the Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative, Crime Check Foundation, and the Interregional Bridge Group. And album the Jumedi Bremo live on Asempa 94.7 FM. Ekosiisen Jumedi. One of the things we will do is say because here can somewhere a famu muti in a hono. Yabama kwai na mo so mafre na all questions be especially the conversation around or rights a police for stop or police for chill bail in sense bail conditions and it's how to assess support from the legal aid commission and it's annual meninano or questions if I want to me afre 0302 216545 and at 0302 216546 now lawyer wa head union 7 nano emfamaye 0302 216545 and at 0302 216546 ofra na o asembisa owaha obeyano ama we se obi I facilitated bail for many people when I was an assemblyman for Benin and Nafu electoral area in the Sikumo Dobin Brakwa district in the central region. And none of the cases that the police requested for money. Okay, and in none of the cases that the police requested for money. But as a Ghanaian, as I am, I needed to show appreciation to the police by giving a token to the one in charge of the case after the bail has been successful. We have genuine policemen in the system. More at times, it is the one seeking for a bail that make an offer to the police with the hope to soften the position of the police on the case. Ghanaians are quick to give bribes because we don't want to go through the system fully. Okroya boa Breman Benin way a very regular occurrence in police stations, no. But so would you show appreciation to the police, right?
Oh yes, would show appreciation. Sometimes your cases are in a pro bono free gra. Lawyer now wa file car could court no. Who expect bema accused person bema bibi. But accused person to me my police ni rather sick.
Now lawyer there. We jail.
Appreciation there Ghana.
Too bad. Call away a home and article. Me pacho facha yen. Emo jina so ache. Ubetima say afre 0302 216545 0302 216546. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Me pacho wudini baby a ukasa fi. SK ukasa no form power mo ano so mayen why?
Your friend is me kasa free face.
Okay, me into.
You know, I sit with my way. Na Ghana police for assembly yanka. Skase now boss. The Colonel Assembly of Police Station or that did not be free. Can they see me go to me and now, year report TV and make corner. Now, police never go a trim bear me saying, make one and I'm still paper to make one. I mean, I don't want to see me. Masa be manifested for safer. Ponji. And I'm a sorry penny can home and the 20 or say, sign the autonomy by me big. Minyani kesi embra. The mother police for the Ghana police for the Midunyami.
No, not Ukwaji bail, I'm Ubiana.
Pastor, na me the master and a coy.
Ukwa report, Ukwa complaint, Kake,
Ukwa complain. A coy complain. Ghana police for the Debbie. How much when you go depend on Macedo?
Medase. My emfa nipa fofro. Hey, Semo. We say Obi. One of the well-known law firms in Koforidia, Yalberma Chambers, Alex Martinson, and Onodiwe Enam. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me pacho haini.
Me pacho from the Paul Ramesh.
Okay.
Me kasa fi Agbogba.
Agbogba, me yentie we.
Me pato asempa radio ni.
Ekosiisen on Asempa
Me ba cho ai.
Maybe me the team more so many years. It come come see me more than say. I hope me Kofi Adenkwa na meka wa semana soccer ban for you. No, mo ka police for wa so de. Pamocho Makabi, your son Paul Ramesh. Obi Prami, I'm a medical police station. No call report here. Your mommy report, son in Fanco Hospital. You go to the hospital now. Security tell me no. And to me, and qualify me, sir. Yeah, better me. Now, me samba police station. Ever catch on say, idea. Estimate me percent nipana. Oprah me no around. Into no kabiania. One bebe. Obebe anase nkobeka no nampo. Ye nyina ye compromise na bibia ye boko. So me wo say nipana na mo obo life gu me so. Me wo di me dem. So no doctor na me ni sika nti no ntimi nsan. Me chi nipa. Me no say me na question me bisa
Ekosiisen on Asempa FM.
Papa no on
Wa homa ne mu enye fa chen. But I think largely your point is well made. Ekosiisen so ni. High Asempa 94.7 FM. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Evening, Obi.
Me ba cho hwan ni?
Obi, unia operating.
Oparo so ho me ntie we.
Yo, Obi, enyumre ne mbo abaso ne mpen fam wo studio nyame sham ne adwuma pa moyema Ghana fo. Obi, beye ye kan se me fa ne se yakọ 1 month ni. Akronfo be wia me. E wo me mami efie. Fa me sika, ene me bicycle, me nkola bicycle, ene me phones. On be fa ade wie afi ye mum ye ko report ya they are demanding money from us. No kreni nyame anim na me mpese metwa akwachi me mo ni bi kan kwa me ka kire on say to be frank me pa a one person akwa me mom because me nim say emra na enhye wo say citizens say wo kwa ye case na say wo tua sika de ma police. So what I say. And at the same time na me could do on my colleagues driver be any nefita any problem was so said yeah issue net you know driver needs to fix it fit needs to fix it crutch the ama crutch the ama driver no driver needs to or tell no man can also why the first one you on print you the car near there economy they akoma catch police with the see and my year woman to kwana me patai into kwana tina they are demanding money from the drivers and I'm catch what Jimmy Crowlock me catch as it anything say omo I dey akon tokwa na omo de kasa na wan kasa wan san abasi wo be say nti mo ma omo problem ade chia na the scared brain na ono so abede abejenika na mu di mani scafe won chen we any shame for obi nti me srom won jai sa den yen nyina be say yes show man no man ye krojin se na ma no netia wotimi payfo ni bitimi tupan ko ho no okukusua ade na wo pese we implement wa yes citizens na yen pese eye adwuma because wo ma house police officer na ma eniama bi police infama Ghana ni no hu tampa say wa fom na wo de adani sika so they are and yes me dem business police for me pese me ye na wa ka say opare ni o de yen na mo mfa me mo opare ni wa chore wo be dia wo nya sa de keep through me police for I'm telling them one nya ye that abu bomb pay fu bia manema e dey do on be kono
me na se asemo good evening.
Ekosiisen on Asempa FM.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba cho wani ni?
Me pa cho from Kwame Wade.
Kwame o kasa free hin.
So me kasa free.
Dunkwa ono fin Kwame mayenti o.
Me pa cho e kan say me papa no oye Dunkwa da say. Na wo free. Na ni koko fu ni adina odi adine o free mo na o tiko si koko fu ni atwitwa koko fu ni fa ma ko o mo develop it. Ama through that me ko apply for letters of administration. Ama letter of administration high court no I granted the LA number. Na edu time I chen for the adino no place I was from part of the cocoa farm, no, ama for development. On one for that, on for a section of the portion, no, because ideally, no, if you have on for the on here because opposite offer a Japanese basically. We are both lawyer and farmer, and lawyer said this is a council issue. Right, the rate of them on more developing land, you know. To this extent, I think I come back. The matter could see or more land. Meanwhile, of course, not decide. They say the land belongs to my father. And didn't know me look at
it. Yeah, some. Anyways, lawyer wa Howard here into advice be or the memo. Why? Koswanity, Mefa one final call 0302 216 545 and a 0302 216 546. Na yentie wonso. Ubetme so afre 0548 955 947 0548 955 947. Yemfa this last call. Good evening.
Good evening, good evening, Obi.
Me ba so hwan ni?
Your friend office.
Akwesi mi entie we. Hello, Kwesi.
Fresh so that. And then me first time. Me see police was them. And I'm saying, them be sessionable. Also me friend and be some year.
My entie we.
Obi Pacho. Meaning say, bro nyamu ho. Na me nam baby na police wo gina de.
Ekosiisen on
na omubisa license I check insurance ni bibia. I don't know can I use na a bit largely. Na me fie no form kakra but me bo me home odin as me ne be ye me adwuma. After the police will say me family papers e ma no enye sa wa cheni. Na me bisa me say matter. But now why not a chika or then a car papers a good nikem? Chika make a sense so menenam bad Printers Road. Mine is watching. My car papers and bar or my menko. Our free reinforcement, police for therefore it was in Sayomo and intimidation. It is not in theater. I mean, the question police in the class said, no more can no muchino. Papers no edemuana it's not meaning kana wuchu ni meaning say e whole papers e da car ni say sia me no kasa ya police escort wa no mbita wa ubenya mo ana omu hunu na ye wo kwa ne so dodo omu jai sa de no mo ye no ade ye ni omu nyina na ye adwuma obi eno ana me frɛ so me bisa e me wa meaning say that papers no o ma check insurance ni bibia e na meaning say insurance ne so omo code ni omo ba omo benya car ni details into meaning the car is stolen cars and then omo harassing me sir it's a bit too much and Obi as I talk to you right now in fact that's the same car I'm driving police funny have me too much for town I don't know I don't know
a heavy car na
heavy car but I have to say sports car a VW sports car I that from open top tinted glasses.
Hey.
Me use my license, my car papers, they are intact. Sometimes when you stop me, you might even find my work document.
A registered car.
A registered car, 21, registered in 2021, registered please. Yes, and this happens around...
Omubusa license and Omubusa license cra.
Omubusa license, not provided. Almost check road where the Libya with the DBI. Okay, now the next question is Juma Ben I give them every details, but they seem to I said meaning some who may send me a fraud boy but even if who may send me a fraud boy whatever you ask once I provide, I don't think my car papers I was here because meaning the Padodo are almost driving with their car papers in their car. Anyone because we be me sure say obi me but me sure say be car papers say sia obetumi anya ma mo car
no eni me car mo eni me car mo yeah
nti mo yes sir what are you doing now mo yes sir no after police reinforcement they are 3-4 obi a it was insane no Oma ye mi bi da ebra me na me yire ne me mba kra Africa mu.
Oh.
It's because of me any papa ni di kra mo ma me nko me yire me mba na da o ka na ti. E na mo de papa na gina nchen. E na mo frustrating me. It happens around Atimota police station for the Malsami police station for the MSRD no almost every time. Because I live inside New Atimota. So almost every time you could fear me point do my brand you could fear. Because I'm quite do my for the Atemahabo, maybe I'm that's when they want to do that. Who just come on Monsua, they let you go. It's me 10 cities, 20 cities, 50 cities. Because you cannot frustrate me once I know say wrong, but when the move to the dredging on the swamp, me man grass no move through. It is a test in the man who am me yama on amiko. What you say? If none of person is seeking clarification, say even if they can request for my car papers, how long do I have to provide it to them? They don't have to arrest me as I'm arrested because only capitals. We see this that.
Okay.
Every time since I started using the car in September last year.
Okay, Mate, I think it's a good point. Lawyer Waha obey into the Cosweti. Why? Yeah, that's the point. Maybe lawyer I am fair non started.
In fact,
yeah.
I can't no use na omo hanesa but Pemrano police be harass for car documents. First, they must have reasonable suspicions that car near stolen car. And now reasonable suspicions where you should car not to commit an offense.
Okay.
Apart from that, they are supposed to demand for car documents. Normally, some demand for document from you, either license, car documents, or any other document. That would need work. They must direct you to a station and you produce the documents within the time period. But say, who produce or hard in fact, and yes, son, say, it's quite unfortunate, say, almost harassing, but anything I make say, pips were. Am I in
Obisano, Obetmako Pips?
Obisano, Obetmia simple complaints I call Pips said, this is what I've gone through. Say, my officer need the incra minim station and many points are no mujina at this
barrier
time. Barrier. Then the Pips will investigate because that is why they are there. So you yet and can't share now your first station to complain. But you take initiative, you call report it to Pips. It will put them on their toes. Into my advice say any one incident, a CBB into onto the boss and petition. On farmer Pips, they will do the investigation. Because and yes, a car for fraud. And a car and boy didn't here, and I said, police for demanding for car documents from you. There be a yes, sir. I mean discrimination and harassment. Then they make my advice. They say on petition to Pips based on their femono. Every time I think say police administration is a Sunday mem. Hopefully, say best. This is America. And previous call about inheritance. Yeah. Once I make kind about legal aid, no, that is one of their main and he said, Obi a denial what you are due. And idea is to say, yeah, dear, what you call legal aid now, Oko pick you on form. Okay. Now what church you mu actual. Ordinarily say, Obi a film. Now only lesser administration. Me and Tom property, and I ain't deal with the property no before Eleno. Yeah. Your offense be a friend intermeddling, a criminal offense. So, would you be property and then power film property, a year Juma, and now tongue, and now would ye the pay before Elena, a intermeddling, which is punishable by imprisonment. Into legal aid, a ho emano. Secondly, Shraj and so a yes, I do. It is obeying me on pay legal aid, obeying me actual petition to Shraj. Shraj and so be investigating.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's some nice education there. And you better say lawyer for coming through and and we want to say a big thank you to USAID, to the implementing partners, the Legal Resources Center with Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative, Crime Check Foundation, and at the Interregional Bridge Group. And also say a big thank you to Yao Berima and Co., FSM Chambers, lawyer Godfred Enim Nyako. our resource person for NAWA.
Ekosiisen
We
on
said, good evening,
Asempa
Obi. Since
FM.
you are dealing with security-related issues, let me use this opportunity to wish one of my competent military mates, Staff Sergeant Andrews Ezwa, convoy driver at the office of the President, a happy birthday. May he live to be 94.7 and beyond. We free Isaac Enchi Eho, who works with the Bank of Ghana now. Isaac, good afternoon to you, and a happy birthday to your competent military mate, Staff Sergeant Andrews Ezwa, or a convoy driver, office of the President. Inti lawyer, me and us, Bibi any ever said in Comobio.
Why? Miss me das anyway for us. Say,
super. Yeah, that's it. Ekosiisen so